Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something really important. Aircraft carriers. Aircraft carriers are like giant floating cities that carry airplanes and helicopters. Did you know that US aircraft carriers are more vulnerable than ever before? New technologies, other countries getting stronger, even things like computer viruses can be a problem. Let's find out why. One of the biggest challenges for aircraft carriers is something called missiles. These are really fast rockets that can fly super far and hit targets precisely. Some missiles are designed to go after aircraft carriers specifically. They're built to be really hard to see and stop. Aircraft carriers are working on ways to defend themselves, like using their own missiles to shoot down the incoming ones, but it's a tough challenge. Remember how I said even computer viruses can be a problem for aircraft carriers? Cyber attacks are a big worry because aircraft carriers rely on computers for so many things. Imagine someone hacking into those computers. They could mess with the radar, disrupt communication, or even try to take control of the weapon systems. The Navy has to have really strong cybersecurity to make sure that doesn't happen. Another challenge for aircraft carriers is that some parts of the ocean are getting more dangerous to hang out in. Some countries are setting up special zones where they try to keep aircraft carriers away using long-range missiles, submarines, and special airplanes. This makes it harder for aircraft carriers to do their job, which is to be ready to respond to problems anywhere in the world. The U.S. Navy is developing new technologies and strategies to make sure their aircraft carriers can still operate safely and effectively, even in these tricky situations. Taking care of aircraft carriers is really expensive. They need constant maintenance, kind of like how you need to clean your room and put your toys away. Plus, aircraft carriers need to be upgraded with the latest technology to stay safe and effective. The Navy has to be really careful with its budget to make sure they can keep the aircraft carriers in tip-top shape. Other countries are building up their own powerful fleets, and some of them even have their own aircraft carriers now. This means the U.S. Navy isn't the only one with these giant floating fortresses anymore. Some of these new navies are also developing advanced technology, like those super-fast missiles we talked about. The U.S. Navy has to work even harder to stay ahead. It keeps things interesting on the high seas. So there you have it. 5 reasons why U.S. aircraft carriers are more vulnerable than ever. But the U.S. Navy is working hard to overcome these challenges and make sure their aircraft carriers can continue to protect the seas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.